We recommend everyone to know Cyber Monday 2020 of Fisup Foldable Treadmill Fixed Incline. Now Amazon Cyber Monday 2020 are started. Cyber Monday is an online event that is hosted on the first Monday after the Thanksgiving holiday. Cyber Monday originated in the United States and is an online shopping event that encourages customers to do their holiday shopping online. Cyber Monday is now often seen as a continuation of Black Friday sales. Again, now Amazon Cyber Monday 2020 are started. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Amazon will Cyber Monday 2020 from November 28 to 30, bringing customers 72 hours of some of the top products of the season. Don't miss out on all of the holiday event, these deals will go fast. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Fisup Foldable Treadmill Fixed Incline, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Overview, summary or highlight features. The treadmill is foldable. Folding size is 55.9 x 26.8 x 12.6 inch. Convenient operation button, fast storage, innovative folding and installation free. The maximum weight capacity is 260 pounds. This treadmill with an original inclination degree. All touchscreen provide the new tactile sense, which shows distance, speed, calorie, and time. An MP3 music interface and mobile phone stand provide convenience for your exercise. Open the phone Bluetooth and contact the treadmill and app. Not only control the speed, time, distance, and calories, monitor and track your workout on your phone. 3 modes can be chosen, set up the training program more convenient. Powerful inner core with a powerful and ultra-quiet 1.95 HP motor, 1 to 10 km/h smart speed adjustment. Energy conservation and environment protection make your workout more relieved. Innovation science and physics area shock absorption concept, silica gel shock absorption column and 2 adsorption type silica gel foot pad, reduce bone motion injury. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.